Are you working hard, but still feeling broke? You're not alone. Most Americans make the same money mistakes over and over again, mistakes that can cost thousands of dollars every single year. In this video, we'll break down the 10 most common money mistakes Americans make and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. Nearly 60% of Americans live this way. The problem is, without a savings buffer, even one emergency can push you into debt. The fix? Build a small emergency fund. Start with $500 to $1,000. Mistake number 2, relying on credit cards. Too much. With average interest rates over 20%, credit card debt can double what you owe. The fix is simple. Pay balances in full or transfer your balance to a lower interest card. Mistake number 3, not tracking expenses. Most people don't really know where their money goes. Small daily expenses add up fast. The fix? Use free apps like Mint or YNAB to track every dollar. Mistake number 4, ignoring retirement savings. Too many Americans wait until their 40s or 50s to start saving. That means losing years of compound growth. The fix? Start today. Invest in a 401k or IRA, even if it's just $50 a month. Mistake number 5, buying brand new cars. A new car loses 20 to 30% of its value in the first year. The fix? Buy used or certified pre-owned instead. Mistake number 6, paying high bank fees. Maintenance fees, overdraft charges, and ATM fees can drain hundreds of dollars every year. The fix? Switch to a no-fee online bank or credit union. Mistake number 7, overspending on housing. Many Americans spend 40% or more of their income on housing. The fix? Stick to the 30% rule. Your rent or mortgage should not exceed 30% of your income. Mistake number 8, skipping health insurance. One medical emergency can wipe out years of savings. The fix? Always stay covered, even if it's just a high deductible plan with a health savings account. Mistake number 9, lifestyle inflation. The more we earn, the more we spend bigger. Houses, nicer cars, expensive gadgets. The fix? Keep your lifestyle modest and direct raises or bonuses towards savings and investments. Mistake number 10, not investing. Keeping all your money in a savings account means inflation slowly eats away at your wealth. The fix? Start investing in index funds, ETFs, or other long-term options to grow your money. Avoiding these 10 money mistakes can save you thousands of dollars and speed up your path to financial freedom. Which mistake are you guilty of right now? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to DollarHive, and hit the bell icon for more smart US money tips and hacks.